Managing your WordPress plugins has never been easier thanks to Hosted.com. In just a few simple steps, you can access your control panel and keep your site secure and up to date. Log into your Hosted.com account. From the dashboard, click on Manage Services from the main menu. From the drop-down, select WordPress hosting. The process is the same for those who have other hosting plans. Click Manage next to your domain. Under Product Information, go to Control Panel and click Login to access cPanel. Once you're in the cPanel, select WordPress Management. Click on the Plugins tab. Now choose the website you'd like to manage. A full list of your installed plugins will be displayed. Here you can easily update any plugins that need attention. Just click Update next to each plugin listed. That's it. Hosted.com makes plugin management quick and stress-free.